Look no further than the 2012 Chevrolet Avalanche. This vehicle still has fewer than 150,000 miles on the clock, so it won't last long. Here's an Avalanche that delivers the security and comfort of a full-size SUV and the practicality of a pickup. Smooth, quiet, rugged, and thoughtfully designed to be as pleasant to drive as it is useful. This versatility vehicle was designed with your lifestyle in mind. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: navigation system, sun, moonroof, electronic stability control, seat memory, trip computer, power windows, bucket seats, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. Don't sacrifice comfort to get utility. Enjoy the best of both in this stylish Avalanche. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.